Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow Google login for extensions on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From this panel, click on Extensions. This section is where you can manage all extension-related settings and preferences for your browser. It's essentially the control center for how extensions interact with Brave. Now, in this section, look for the option that says Allow Google Login for extensions. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this setting is important because it allows your extensions to use Google's authentication system, which means any extensions that need to connect to your Google account will now be able to do so properly. Without this enabled, those extensions might not function correctly or you might face login issues. After toggling that on, you'll need to click Relaunch. This will restart your Brave browser to apply the changes you just made. Make sure you've saved any important work or tabs before clicking because the browser will close and reopen. Once Brave restarts, the new setting will be active and your extensions will now be able to use Google Login functionality. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Login for extensions in Brave browser, allowing your extensions to connect with your Google account whenever needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.